Hi everyone, I'm Associate Professor Sarah Weiss, and this is my quick manifesto on why I think you should free yourself from the potential of video editing and record your lecture pre-records in just one take. When we give our lectures live in real life at the bottom of a lecture theater facing our students, we might be a bit nervous, but we go out there and we just do it. And do we misspeak sometimes, if that's even a word? Do we sometimes have phrases we wish we could change or say and ah or make a weird facial expression? Probably. When we're recording videos, we unfortunately have the chance to see ourselves do these things, and we also have the opportunity to edit them and retake. Don't do it to yourself. You are an expert. You've got this content. You can deliver it. Do it once and do it good enough. One way you can free yourself from any desire or expectation to edit your videos, to re-record many takes, is to set expectations with your students. I am super open with my students that making the pre-recorded lecture videos takes a lot of time, that it's not something that I've done before, and that everything that I deliver is going to be me doing the very best that I can in the time that I have available. And this is my third and final point why you really shouldn't bother with taking lots of takes for your lecture pre-records.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And if that reason ain't enough for you, I don't know what is. But if you're feeling a bit uncomfortable, I've got on the website some tips and hints for how to use PowerPoint to pace your lecture recording, and some other technical ideas to help you to take your pre-recorded lectures in one take. Martin Scorsese would be really proud.